got all of the bark peeled off. This side was what made it die out. I'm pretty sure we even tried spraying that, but then the storm just blew it down anyway, so it is what it is. We made it right around, I'd say like 5'5", 5'10"-ish for height, so if we do a bird feeder, we can always make it where we don't have to have a step ladder or something to get up there. And yeah, I think it looks pretty good. We won't be able to put on the sealant or whatever we're doing today, since it's not going to adhere very well because this is a little damp, but it is 90 degrees out today. So maybe tomorrow we'll be able to put it on, or even later today. It's about 2, maybe 3, so we'll just play it by ear and see what happens. But yeah, we'll go from here. All right, we just got it completed here. Nice color to it. Probably doesn't show completely on camera, but we'll come back. We can put a second coat on it if we want it darker. Kind of like my hand. If not, we'll go ahead and put the bird feeder on. All right, so that is the completed product. All nice and stained. It should last quite a while, you know, real sturdy. And we got those 3, I put 1 screw and then 2 nails in there, so shouldn't be going anywhere. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, leave it down in the comments below. If you have any suggestions of anything I should have done, or maybe I should put like little things on the sides or something like that, just kind of let me know. Thanks for watching.